This course starts with floor plan basics. We will explain how to use any floor plan or create a new plan in SketchUp and create structure and rooms out of it. To create rooms and structure, we will use very basic tools as the structure is in easy geometrical shapes. We will explain about each tool in detail later in the course. Next, we will move on to creating windows, doors and creation of artificial and natural light sources. In SketchUp, there are several tools to do a particular task, like we are using pencil tool to make our window. We have explained the detailed processes of creating doors and windows in the course. Next, we will move on to creating roof lights. It completely depends on us for what type of design we want to use for our lights. We have included our detailed video on artificial lighting in the course. Lighting is the most crucial part for photorealistic renders. Here we are creating circular light sources and we will add the glow later. Next, we will move on to stable object design like cupboard, tables and showcases. Stable objects helps to fill our space. We have included the detail module in the course. Now we will use different type of materials and textures to make our design realistic. We are providing hundreds of materials and various links from where you can get high quality materials and textures. Next, we will explain you how to download models like chairs, beds, vases and other things from 3D warehouse or from other links. We are providing very high quality hundreds of models free in the course. Next, we will move on to adding glow in the light sources we have created. There are several types of glow lights like sphere, dome and rectangular along with the IES, which we have explained in detail later in the course. After completing the design, we will move on to render. Various settings play an important role in realistic render quality. So these are the steps we have included in our course. We have explained each and every detail required to start from design and make realistic renders. Enroll in this course today at a very special price. Along with it, you will get 200 plus models and textures, 24/7 chat, call and email support. Not just this, we are also giving 30 days refund policy with our course. Last but not least, there is a bonus Photoshop module included which is going to take your renders to the next level.